In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a date hierarchy in Power BI. A date hierarchy is a powerful way to explore your data across multiple time levels, like year, quarter, month, and day, without rebuilding visuals each time you want to zoom in or out. It keeps your time intelligence organized and makes drilling into trends smooth and intuitive. First, open Microsoft Power BI. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're in Power BI Desktop with a model that contains at least one column storing dates. If you already have a report you're working on, open that file now. If you're starting fresh, any dataset with a proper date column will do. Next, look to the right side of the interface and click the data area so you can focus on your tables and fields. This view helps you confirm that Power BI recognizes your column as a date. If your field doesn't look like a date, double-check its data type in your model and convert it to a date type before proceeding. Hierarchies rely on correctly typed columns. In the Fields pane on the right, locate the table that contains your date column. Select that date field, then right-click it. This brings up the context menu specific to that field. Make sure you're right-clicking the actual date column, not a measure or another field, so you see the correct options. From the menu, click Create Hierarchy. Power BI creates a new hierarchy object and places your selected date field as the first level inside it. You'll notice a hierarchy entry appears under your table, typically with a small tree icon, and it will carry a name based on your original column. That's it. The hierarchy is now part of your model and ready to use. Here's what to expect next. When you add this hierarchy to a visual, such as the x-axis of a column or line chart, you'll be able to drill down and drill up through the levels contained in that hierarchy. Depending on your model and settings, Power BI may also provide built-in date intelligence that exposes year, quarter, month, and day in visuals. If you prefer a specific structure or naming, you can later rename the hierarchy and adjust levels to match your reporting standards. A couple of quick tips as you put it to work. Test the hierarchy on a simple chart to confirm the drill behavior. Ensure your date column has continuous values for smooth trends, and keep your model's time zone and calendar conventions consistent across tables. That's all you need to create a clean, reusable date hierarchy in Power BI.